In this video I'm going to show you how I made my leather patch maker cap. This was a bit of an experiment to see if my Silhouette Cameo could handle cutting veg tan leather. I cut a small section of it off. This was about 1.2mm thick. My friend Bruce is also releasing a video today where he makes some leather patches using his laser cutter. Definitely go check him out, he makes some really great videos. I have a scrap cutting mat I use for testing stuff like this. It's definitely worth doing so you don't destroy your good one. I stuck down the leather with the flesh side facing up. I thought this would give better grip and stick it down better. This meant I had to remember to mirror my logo before cutting it. I put a deep cut blade into my Cameo and set it as deep as possible. I also set it to do double pass on the software. I tried to use an edge groover to make a small channel for the thread to sit in, but the leather was just too thin and it wouldn't work, so in the end I just abandoned that idea. Taking some high grit sandpaper, I went over the edges of the patch to smooth them out just a little. I added stitch holes around the edge of the patch. It wasn't super straight due to not being able to use the edge groover, but it worked out fine in the end. I added some fabric glue on the patch, which works well to bond the leather to the fabric. I needed to make sure that I added it to the middle bits of the C, as there'd be no stitching near these. As usual, I used some 0.6mm waxed thread and saddle stitched the patch to the cap. I didn't want to dye the leather, I just wanted to leave it get a natural patina. I've just started selling my handmade leather balm and thought this would be a great project to use it in. It's made from all natural ingredients and is great for leather. If you want to get some for yourself, links in the description below. I also added some small loops on one side for pens and pencils. I wear glasses, and as anyone else who does, you really can't get a pen behind your ear, so this is super useful. As I said, Bruce is releasing a video just like this. He'll be at Workbench Con handing out some of his, so make sure you go find him and grab one. I'll have his link in the description below. For a list of items and materials used, check out the written guide. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.